V. This is a vase that I'll put in this vat, away from the villain in the Panama hat.
I am the villain in the Panama hat, and I'm after that vase that's here in this vat. I'll fill it with vinegar and throw in some varnish, and top that all off with some violets for garnish. And now I will slip it here under my vest.
Oh, no, you don't, villain. You're under arrest. V.